Hi, I'm Charlie. I've been living in Bristol for a few years now, studying composition for film and TV. What I like about the audiobook medium is, for me anyway, it's just sort of a really good escape. It sounds ironic, but I don't really sit through films that much or that well, or TV series and things like that. I tend to sort of lose interest, and I think that's just sort of an attention thing. But with audiobooks, I find that the absence of that extra sensory level, I just find it way more engaging to just switch off and just listen to something. Children of Posterity is a sort of post-apocalyptic dystopian sci-fi, which explores sort of memory, time travel, clandestine groups overthrowing sort of corporations and things like that. The idea is to just kind of, you be able to just sit back, close your eyes, and just picture yourself there. And that's sort of the process which I go through when I'm making it. Is I'll read the script and I'll just picture that environment and just close my eyes and just think, what would you be able to hear? Like even the minor details, like clocks ticking, what's outside the window, is there a plane going overhead, is there traffic, is there sort of muffled voices on the street, just every tiny detail. What was inspirational for me was being at DBS, completing assignments and getting good feedback, and just that reinforcement of, yeah, I can actually do this. And also the facilities here are really good. Another good point about DBS is that they have lots of kit that you can rent, which has been helpful when I've been doing film sets and things like that. Yeah, I've been encouraged by DBS to get involved with as many projects as I can in the industry, and they've sort of pushed you in the right direction with connecting with other universities, for example, Screenology and Boom Satsuma, which are film schools. So yeah, in general, it sort of gives me the opportunity to collaborate and network as much as possible.